Hey, folks, I got this from Amazon last week. It's supposed to become with autograph and red cards. I think it cost me around $50 from it. Just random cards. I think most of these cards are like 20 years old or 35 years old. And we're going to see what kind of stuff inside. In here, I forgot any cards in here. Kind of good sealed. One thing I have a problem with these kind of things, if you put things in the sleeves, it's hard to keep them safe. So I'll just go through the cards that I like. Try to keep the video, too long. Can't really see it close. Mostly like Dodgers, rookie. Let me see this young man. I don't know this guy, Carlos Hernandez, catcher. I don't know, but this is a so this is a '93 tops card. But it's kind of cool. It comes the background. But it comes with a lot of rookie cards. The cards I try to get mostly are rookies. I try to collect this time of year. Draft pick, kind of thick card right here. It's kind of stick together. Guy draft pick. Bryce Sowell, never heard of him. Kind of cool in the background. So I try to collect, draft cards. Evan Rickinson or something. It's like his draft goes. Oh, Trey Hayes, I remember this guy. He played with the Giants for a short time. Guy, there's a video of him getting into a big fight. Yeah, he barely played with the Giants. He only had like a couple of hits. Some reason I remember him or something. 19 home run gave. But there's a video of him with the Phillies getting into a big old fight. He had an alright career. Ross Stanton, pitcher. Here's your autograph. Rookie card. But I'll give more details at the bottom where I got this cards. Rookie card, David Freese. Phil's Cloak, never heard of him. Here's a two players, Mad Courts and Ryan something. He's with the Cubs. One with the Hawks. Minor league players cards. I just collect minor league cards back there. I used to have a Robbie Thompson. It also comes a bunch of '88 tops too. It's like a mixture of commoners. This guy used to be a pitching coach for the San Francisco Giants. They helped him win the World Series. He used to be a relief pitcher mostly with the Yankees. You got the Blash Brothers. So these all came out of the same container I got today. I know it's kind of weird. This one is Kirby Puckett Twins home run '93. But it has no picture of them. It's kind of weird card to sit like that. Twins. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Kirby Puckett with no picture on it. It's kind of weird. Not maybe the error card because it kind of sticks out. Also, it comes with these managers at the time checklists. I don't mind. I hate checklists, but it comes with player or coach. Yes, that's alright. But I hate when I'm buying cards. Oh, Jose, future Hall of Famer. My opinion. He's with the Angels now. He's not. They're kind of not too happy with him right now. Got some cards are solo hits. Ted Holton. Kind of tells a little bit. But I'll give more details where I got the cards from. I think I was from Amazon. See, this guy's a little ticked. Rookie card. I got a rookie card. That guy looks like, they have to get a dump or something. This guy could Hall of Famer, but he's like a Trump dumper, and it put some things on, so he lost his chance to go to Hall of Fame. I think he doesn't really care. I think a lot of times with players are so close or Hall of Famers like Joe Jackson, Joe Jackson, or P Rose, I think they're more famous, not go to Hall of Fame. I think it just if you just go to Hall of Fame, I think you're famous. He'll sell our grab. You go to Las Vegas, get $100 car with P Rose. So I'll try to play. No, I don't know this man. So it's kind of like that. Whoa, kind of sticky card. Sticky. I don't know none of these players really. This is like my time, but I can't keep track of every player that I played. You know what I mean? This kind of cool card. He was a decent player, Jay Surhoff. It's kind of cool. Little autograph thing in the back. Didn't really nice to ask little details about his life, I guess. Fred McGriff should be the Hall of Famer. If Barry Larkin goes Hall of Fame, I think this guy should go to the Hall of Fame. Fred McGriff. Shows this is like near his later career. He's more with Atlanta. Other guy should be the Hall of Fame, in my opinion. Is Willie McGee. Good player, decent person. His later career. You guys make fun of him. There's one YouTube channel that kind of sound calls him an alien. He wasn't the most attractive person in the world, but good player. Let me try to find more players. So I forgot how many cards. I'll write down details. I think it's like over 100 cards. Trying to board you guys with all the cards. Is it rookie? Is it a rookie card? Yeah. No, not really. Matt Henry. Should be Hall of Famers. Justin Upton. I think I heard of him. It's kind of cool. I like these kind of player cards when they're out playing. These, especially this one. These are my favorites. I don't care who the player is. I like looking at these kind of cards. Cheers to Arbit. It's kind of useful uniform. I try to go back to clock uniform, but minor league maybe because they're not that old. And that uniform, I like that uniform at all when they first started. Yeah, of course, they used called the Devil Rays. I don't know why they changed. It's kind of stupid. Matt Kemp. This is a good picture of him. That's a good card. I like that kind of card. This is a what is it? The Topps 2018. Mike Fleury. It's kind of cool card. Kind of thick. Oh, never mind it. This guy, his name is Louis Hittenberg. That's kind of a cool card. I think it's a Topps, maybe. I know it looks like a 93. I don't know what kind of card that is. It's kind of a cool card. Right now, if you try to get anything like 88 or 89 or 2093, try to get Jose Uribe's card. They messed up his birth date. I ready to trade. There's a Flair kind announced him one of the Bash brothers, but never really see him as one of them. Much of a home run hitter. I think Mark Rower mostly Kansas City should be a wild thing. This guy was a unique pitcher. Every time he pitches, he'll fall down. He did give up that home run, that one World Series off Joe Carter. But yeah, unusual pitch to him. I think it was every time he falls down on his ass. Rookie card. Lance at Berkman. Kind of cool card. Not autograph, but. Try to go as much. Oh yeah, this was his rookie year, '93. I don't know what this card came out. It's after his rookie year. Future Hall of Famer. That famous thing with Zimmer rushed him and he knocked him over. He was with the Red Sox at the time. Yeah, he played with his career was started with L.A. He didn't started L.A. Went to Expos and then Red Sox and then kind of switched around a bunch of teams near the end of his career. But he's mostly George. Remember this guy, George Bell. I married him with the right there players. Cool picture right here. Kind of thick card. I don't know what card this is, honestly. It's kind of thick, but it's cool. That's an awesome picture of Brand Built. This is a Topps 2018. I like these kind of pictures. Like he's at San Diego, I guess, maybe. That picture was taken. Oh yeah, Tommy John. This guy's more famous about his surgery. They call it Tommy John surgery. He had a good career. I think he played for he played for years. Almost 30 years, 20 years. This guy he was kind of a weird player is kind of cocky. He used to try to, pick up their teams off. There's a couple of videos of him doing that on YouTube. Let's look at my graph. The problem with these things is it's kind of hard to get this out. Ah. Ooh, I got my graph. Brendan Reed. I don't really know about this player, but autographs are cool. Even the player I really don't know well, it's good to get autographs. Instead of waiting in line or paying a bunch of money. A lot of players make more money on autographs. I think Mickey Mouse made more money on his autographs. Oh, Hall of Famer. It's a cool picture of Ozzie Smith. There's a video of him and Will Clark getting into it. I think Will Clark hit the thing too hard, sliding into second base or something. He didn't like that. I don't know, this player's kind of cool. Unique card. Some cards are really cool. The Hall of Famer. Honestly, this guy should be in the Hall of Fame. I think Ray Larkin. I think Will Clark should be in the Hall of Fame. Fred McGriff should be in the Hall of Fame. Just my opinion. My opinion doesn't really mean nothing. Oh, I got Hall of Famer. No, Jack Morris. Oh, took him a while in the Hall of Fame. So, I've really seen players. I'll keep the rookies cards separate somehow. Oh, I got a relic card. It's kind of hard to get out. So once again, I got this thing from Amazon, $14. This is a it kind of looks fake, kind of weird. It's like with a flare 90. Okay, 91. For some reason I thought it was a upper deck or not rookie card. Really, Eric Erickson rookie card. That's what they look like. Some folks are too young to remember these things. I like baseball. Baseball is more fun. I mean, the only way back then, watching baseball, you wanted to watch Giants, you got to pay extra to watch the Giants TV. Now it's like Fox will play other games. So I used to watch a lot of TBS. I used to play a lot of Brave games. Braves sucked. Early, late 90s, they were terrible. They were fun. I used to watch them. TBS used to play a lot of, and that one Chicago station used to play a lot of Cubs and White Sox. One of my coworkers became a Bears fan because of that. And I found, a Rivet card. Congratulations, you got a Rivet card. Jose Lopez, 93, Don Ross. Don Ross are cool this time of year. This the sign uniform. The play. My friend called it a stocking card. It's kind of creepy. I can still smell them. I really know about his career, but it's cool to have these things. All-Star, Future. But it's cool. Rivet cards are cool to have. A little different than that to your collection. Bowman got smart. They finally, trimmed down their cards. When they first came out, they were bigger than sleeves. So that's pretty much it. Going on. I didn't show these ones over here. This kind of cool card here. So I'll put down the more details in the description where I got this from. This guy used to be a no release pitcher with the Giants. This is 9 years. He went from the Giants to the A's, went across the bay. Ron Donn had a decent career. Could be a model. This guy should be a Hall of Fame. He's from Vallejo, right near my area. Yeah. There's a good documentary about him. Kind of deals with his alcohol problems. Thomas Peck. It's kind of hard to choose what these players are going to be greatest, or just hopefully, So this is very much it for the video. Hope you like and subscribe and tell me what you think. What kind of collection you have. Please, I really want to know what kind of, stuff you have. What kind of teams you like. What was your favorite player growing up? Or if you're young, let me know. What's up with the kids today? What kind of teams or what kind of players was in, baseball do you go? You ever caught a souvenir? Or I caught one souvenir once. That's a different story. All right, bye.